It's grill time once again here on Simple, and binubuo natin yung ating boodle. Kaya mag-iihaw tayo ngayon ng liempo.
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And ito, meron tayong liempo. Pork belly cut into strips. Nakikita natin yan. Of course, pork from Fresh Options. And we will just make a very simple marinade. Ito siya. We have soy sauce. Datu puti soy sauce, of course. UFC banana ketchup. Ito lang. Ito lang nga. Pwedeng-pwede na. Very simple combination. But papasarapin natin siya. If you want it to be sweet, we will add sugar. So we're using 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And that's our marinade. Very basic marinade. Ito pa lang, pwedeng-pwede na. But we will add garlic to this. We want to have minced garlic para mas mabango naman yung ating inihaw na liempo. And black pepper. Just that, and okay na to. And tingnan mo, nag-change na yung color niya kasi na-absorb na yung ating marinade. Yan. And this is my grill. Look at that. Hindi nakauling lahat. I'm just adding charcoal to one portion, one side, and I will begin to grill. Very hot, and you hear it sizzle. Dalawang malaking portions ang ating liempo, of course. Very nice. Ako, when I cook my pork belly, ayaw ko siya na overcook because I want it to be very juicy. So, I just make sure that my grill is very hot. And look at that, no? Kasi mataas yung temperature ng ating uling. It grills very nicely, very quickly. Look at that, oh. So in case na lumiyab siya, spray it or sprinkle it with water para hindi masunog yung ating niluluto. Yan. So once you feel that the pork is almost cooked, pwede mo na siyang itabi. Just put it aside, no? Around the fire, around the heat, to cook through, no? And once your pork belly is finally cooked, tatabi na natin siya. Yan. And we have our very beautiful pork belly. Mag-slice tayo ng kalahati, of course. Yan. But before slicing, remember, yung gagawin natin, we let the pork belly rest so that all the juices will settle back into the meat. Are you ready? Yan. Slice na natin itong pork. Wow. Beautiful. Bango. Oh my God. Yan. Here it is, our version of inihaw na liempo or pork belly barbecue. Try it at home and enjoy it in a boodle setting. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!